How I built a 6-figure business with zero in software costs. Yup, totally free, except for the internet and a light bill. This isn't clickbait. It's not hype. It's not manifestation. It's a real business, bringing in real money with a tech stack that costs me nothing. Here's the deal. I run a 6-figure business using AI agents and 100% free tools. Not kind of free, actually free, like didn't even ask for my card free. The secret weapon? It's called N8N. It's open source, which means you host it yourself and you own it. No subscriptions, no gatekeepers, no upgrade to unlock nonsense. And once it's set up, it's like hiring a full team. That works 24/7, never asks for a raise, and never takes a sick day. Here's what my free team does for me. Every single day, it writes content, responds to leads, posts on social, follows up, books meetings, sends me updates. All of it hands-free, while I sleep, while I work out, while I play with my kids. Here's my 100% free tech stack. N8N runs everything Gmail, email leads plus clients Google Drive, stores deliverables, Google Forms, captures new leads, Google Sites, free website, Google Meet, Zoom without the price tag, Google Voice, business calls plus text, YouTube brings in organic traffic, PayPal handles payments, 0 monthly fees, 0 headaches. And yeah, 6 figures. My AI agents do it all. Write and schedule daily posts, auto reply to form submissions, add new leads to my CRM, send follow-ups, book appointments, text me important updates, generate YouTube scripts, even post quotes on Instagram. This isn't a chatbot, it's a robot army that works for free. Let me show you a real-life example. Someone fills out my lead form. In 2 seconds, they get a custom email. They're added to my Google Sheets CRM. A meeting invite is sent. I get a text notification. All of that instantly, automatically. No human involved, not even me. This works for people like coaches, consultants, creators, freelancers, service-based businesses. Basically, anyone who's tired of doing everything manually. Why this system works so well, it's built lean. No software builds. It scales with you. It's 24/7, and you actually own it. It's not complicated. It's not bloated. It just works. You don't need fancy tech. You don't need a big budget. You don't need to wait until you're ready. You just need a system and a little help setting it up. Want me to show you how mine works? I'll send you my workflows. I'll record a tutorial. I'll even break it down step by step. Just fill the form below out and I'll send it your way. No pitch, no upsell, just the real stuff that actually built my business. You don't need money, you need a system. Let me give you mine.
Mikey AI.